This is the central bathroom that most people are going to be using. It's off of the hallway. Central bathroom here. You can see it has a laundry room also. Nice big bathroom. Tile. Blue ceilings again. Vanity, extremely bright vanity. All LEDs, no heat come off those. And you can see terrazzo floors as well. Also wall hanger toilet again. This is a commercial grade wall hanger toilet. Love this toilet, very powerful. The laundry room is in this bathroom. So there's the laundry room. Washer, Maytag commercial, and dryer. I love this setup. And then we come in here and look at the shower. And this light also controls the exhaust fan, you can see, so it might get a little loud. But you can see the upgraded shower head, shower bar in case anyone needs it, and the faucets here. This tile was also got from occupied Japan and brought over here. And this other tile was got from Houston. This is also the laundry chute, where you would get clothes from the other side of the laundry. This is where the towels are stored. All of the towels are stored here. Any excess towels right here. Excellent. And that is the central bathroom.